In our web page, we might want to format our text differently. Like we might want bold text or italic text or emphasized text. So we can do it also solely with HTML as well. So how are we gonna write that? Like suppose you want to add a bold text. So we are gonna add a tag named B. B is for bold. So this is a bold text. Let's see this one. This is a bold text. We can also add different text as well. So let's go with the strong tag. So this one is the bold and this one is the strong. We can also add italic text, which will go as the I is for italic. This is italic. See, this one is the italic text. We can also add emphasized text, which is mostly similar as italic. Yeah, see, this is similar as italic one. Then let's add a break tag. Okay, now we can also as mark text. So let's add a mark for the mark text. This is marked. This is marked. See, this yellow colored. Now let's stack a small text. This is small. This one, this is the small text. We can also add deleted text. This one, this is the deleted text. Let's add an inserted text now. This is the inserted text with the underline command. And we can also add like subscript text or like superscript text. So let's add a subscript text. Now let's add a paragraph for better understanding. Now add a superscript text. Now let's see how they look. Okay, so this is the subscript text, this is the paragraph, and this is the superscript text. I think we would not add a paragraph. Otherwise, a paragraph will take the whole column. It has the whole body. It will take the whole column, but it won't go side by side. So we need a span. Span doesn't take a whole column. It works as a part of the paragraph. So let's take span. Yeah, you see? There we have subscript, the paragraph, and the superscript. So that's pretty much it for the text formatting of the HTML. Just like we have added the audio file, we can add the video files in our web page as well. So for that, let's add a breaking point for better view and add the video tag for loading video. So this is the basic tag, which includes the starting tag and the ending tag. Then we will have some content which will show if the browser doesn't support the video tag. So we will just call it like browser does not support the video. Okay, so now the video tag will have the source src attribute as well. So the src attribute, for that I have downloaded two different files for the video. One is the mp4 and otherwise in the WEBM format. So now let's load the mp4 format. So let's see on the browser what it has. It has the whole video thing, but it is currently not playing because we don't have a controller, just like the audio. So let's add the controls. And also let's add the height and width for this one. Wait, let's add the width as 60 or 600 or 600 pixel. Okay, now we have our audio with all the controls and everything. Now it's playing as well. So just like the audio format, we can have different sources for the video as well. Now let's add the same video, or just let's add this one. Let's keep the controls and add different source. So let's add a source tag. The source tag will have an src attribute. In the src attribute, we are gonna write the source of the video, and we're also gonna give the type. So now this one is a video /mp4. Now let's add another source. If this one doesn't work, this source will execute. Let's add the src for this one as well. Have the different format of video, and the type is the same goes the, we're gonna give this format. Okay, so first it will try to execute this source. If it doesn't work, it will execute this source. If this doesn't work, then it will show this text thing. So now let's go to our browser and see. Yeah, it's working fine. It has all this stuff like download, playback speed, and picture in picture. We can also play it in the full screen and everything. So that's pretty much it for the video formatting of the HTML. We are going to learn more about it. We are going to build an whole web page by ourselves in depth in our future chapters.